World Malaria Day 2022. World Malaria Day, April 25th, na day when they celebrate every year. The koko for the World Malaria Day, especially for Africa, na to make people know about malaria and the bad things wey malaria fit do to our body. Since dem start World Malaria Day for May 2007, every year dem dey choose different topic to observe World Malaria Day, and the topic for this year na harness innovation to reduce the malaria disease burden and save lives. World Health Organization WHO don tanda to help plan how to take fight malaria kiakia. Edo State Commissioner for Environment and Sustainability Jonathan Lawani kon yarn TMC TV tori person Ebosereme Obinome on the measures dem dey take to help wipe malaria comot from Edo.
Our own be say no be we go fit clean everywhere for the people. Everybody must know say dirty no be our friend. Dirty na dey cause malaria, no be only malaria, na still dey cause even Lassa fever. Anywhere where dirty dey na sickness dey. Anywhere where dirty dey na things wey no good na dey there. Even Bible talk am say if dirty dey around you, you no go fit dey see God. Now e say cleanliness is equal to godliness. So our own on our part, we dey clean all the major street. If you dey comot in the morning, you go see sweepers dey sweep, dey pack am, our motor go come carry am throway. Even as a ministry too, we dey make sure say those local government health and sanitation officers are doing their job. We dey supervise them fire to fire. We no dey give them chance at all. On our own, even within this Benin Metropolis, we don go visit Regbomi market. Even on Friday here, our enforcement team don comot, dey serve abatement notice to houses, because na person wey get house na go clean am. As you dey take your bath, dey bath every day, dey brush your mouth, make your mouth no smell. Na so you go clean your environment, make your environment no dirty, make sickness no for catch you. If you spend small time take clean your environment, you no go spend money and time for hospital dey treat malaria. My appeal to people say make they dey clean their house, front of your house. According to the law, anything wey dey your front of your premises up to 450 centimeter to the road, na you get am, na you suppose clean am, package am well well. Some people go even clean, they go use small alum tie am go through way for road, make our people come carry. These things they no good. One thing na to clean, another thing na to pack dirty for one place where people go come pick am, carry am go where e go far from what they call dump site, where we say sickness no go fit see us, flies no go fit see this thing come dey follow us, mosquito no go fit dey grow for that. Another thing na drain. On our own part, we don dey carry the city across the state. Wetin we call the city na where we dey go comot dirty for all this our gutter wey oyibo dey call drains, so that the water wey go dey pass there, e go dey flow pian, e no go stay, because na where water stay na so where mosquito go dey grow. But all this wey we dey do so, we no go fit do and go read the mouth of these people wey dey stay this our state. Make people wey still stay near gutter, make dem dey comot those dirty for gutter, make water for dey flow. As they comot am, make dem pack am go through way. If na major road or their house near road where they no fit go through am for long place, they fit tell us, we go carry am. For example, now we dey carry all the one where people wey dey circle but don pack comot, we don dey go there, dey pack and dey go, because we see say na long road. No, we no fit call one person say come do this thing. All this thing na the thing wey we dey do. Wetin we go do pass, we want to do jingle, we dey do advert, we dey call them. We don beg everybody, make una wey dey media say dey help us, dey beg them say anybody wey clean environment, e dey say make e body dey okay, make e get good life.
TMC TV tori people come waka enter Oselu market where Edo State Ministry for Health collaborate with World Health Organization for Naija to make people sabi wetin dey cause malaria and how to take end am, plus free malaria testing and free malaria medicine.
I dey for the malaria unit for public health, Edo State Ministry of Health. Wetin we dey see here na to celebrate the fight against malaria. We dey try tell the whole world say since malaria they discover malaria disease, say we don dey fight am, and the fight now we dey win, and the malaria body don dey reduce according to the statistics World Health Organization give us. We dey celebrate say we dey win the fight against malaria. How we take dey win the fight? We dey test. We dey make sure say people dey sleep under long glasses, etc. That mosquito net wey they don treat, and we dey make sure say all our health facilities, when you go there, they go test you, and if you show positive to malaria, they go treat you with ACT. So now make us dey here now, we dey celebrate the fight against malaria, because so many diseases dey wey no get cure, but this one come tell the world say e get cure. Now make us dey celebrate say this malaria no be death sen ten ce o. na wetin get cure, na wetin we fit prevent, na wetin we fit control if we follow wetin we dey preach now.
We are here to carry out a basic test for persons in the market so that they will know how they can actually take care of their health. We dey tell people make dem dey take care of the environment. You know say mosquito na im dey cause malaria. So if your environment dey clean, you no go attract mosquito. So make dem dey keep the environment clean. Then they use mosquito nets if they see say mosquito dey their place where they dey. Well, even our school we get environmental management people, students too. Then to the day take care of environment, make sure say environment dey clean so they no go contact all these things. Then for person wey don already get malaria or they see say they get symptom of malaria, we dey advise them make dem dey go hospital, go dey check before dem go treat theirself. Make dem no dey do self medication so dem go know wetin dey do them so that they go be able to treat it and treat it well.
I dey do malaria test using rapid diagnostic testing. You no need go lab go do the test. This one 10 minutes time now you don already get your results, know whether e dey malaria positive or negative. First of all, for people wey get malaria, you don how you take know first whether you get malaria. You don do test. You no fit just dey go take anyhow drugs say na malaria, you get headache or you get fever, any small thing you just say na malaria, go take malaria medicine. E no good. So first of all na for you to first do the test to know say whether you get malaria or whether you no get malaria. Then for people wey no get malaria na disease wey dey very common because say for where we dey for Nigeria the mosquitoes plenty, so you need to first prevent yourself from getting that disease. So you take care of your surroundings. When anywhere stagnant water dey, try maybe put kerosene. Make sure say you no get stagnant water, but if stagnant water dey, pour kerosene make e kill all those weeds. Clear your bush around your area. Then try use mosquito nets. Put nets for your door, put nets for your protectors.
So after they don't carry out their test for the other sessions there, they go come with their receipt. So more like their receipt wey show their age, their BP and the different tests where they conduct. So depending on the test, if they get malaria, so these are the medications where they use, anti-malaria drugs. So we go tell them how they go take them, what they need to take, where they go take them, and the preventive measures and the things where they go do so that they go prevent this malaria to the occur. So that's the basic things we do here, more of counseling of the patient and telling them what to do.
Oba, they come check my BP. When they check my BP now, they come say me I come here, make they test my blood. Then they now make me come here. True now, they come test her. They come test her. Come say me I wait for 10 minutes. Make they discover whether true I get malaria parasite.
We dey try eradicate malaria for Nigeria. According to wetin federal government send us, the way we come here, federal government we tell federal government say we ready to eradicate malaria for 16,000 individuals for Nigeria, and our own job right now for Edo State, for Benin in this location, are to eradicate malaria for 173 persons. But for the entire Edo State, they try to eradicate malaria for about 549 persons. So we see get people wey dey Okada, we get people wey dey this in Ira for Ishan land. Because they cause malaria, all these mosquito they carry wetin dey cause malaria. If one mosquito bites you, go drop am inside your body. As they suck your blood in the night, you go drop inside your body. Then for your society, you scared. You call the get some kind of fever. What people go do nowadays and say, all those women who like to say their house, they get all these yama water. They call them stagnant water. Water will not they move. They get kind of muco. You know, there's no supposed to stay on that location. You know, so you get some, you supposed to throw them, go find somewhere throw them, or you get good drainage system. We're going to eradicate the water from for your house, and also use of mosquito nets, and also regular malaria checkup. Because I'm saying your body go dey burn. You say na headache, you go carry this thing. No, you actually do real malaria test. Malaria test dey very easy to do nowadays. Just go pharmacy or hospital. If you run out for it, they go give you drug. Then you will dey free. Malaria no be death sentence. Okay, just check yourself and help yourself.
Make una sabi say TMC TV dey beg our country people to help friends, family and neighbors make dem for no catch malaria. Make everybody sabi different ways to take keep ourselves and others safe from malaria. Make we continue to help keep our environment clean and continue to maintain proper hygiene. That way we go fit beat the disease. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.